This is a powerful strategy that will help you make more from your maize farming business. The first video I posted about this strategy has helped hundreds of thousands of investors around the world increase their yields and make more money from their maize farms. However, a lot of people have come up with questions and concerns about the video, so I decided to publish this updated version with all your questions and concerns addressed. Without wasting your time, let's start talking about the important stuff. The truth is that so many people today are wasting time, effort and money on maize production and then getting so little to nothing in return. And the only secret of successful farmers you don't know is right fertilization. As more and more plants, crops or even weeds grow on a piece of land, the soil gradually loses its nutrients. For example, for every ton of whole plant corn harvest, we remove from the soil about 25 kilograms of nitrogen, 5 kilograms of phosphorus, and 20 kilograms of potassium from the soil. That means that if you want to regrow maize or any other crop on that piece of land in the coming years, you will need to replace these lost nutrients to get a satisfactory yield. As a rule of thumb, you will need to supplement about 100 kilograms of nitrogen, 280 kilograms of phosphorus, and 100 kilograms of potassium per hectare in order to achieve this. But here is what you don't want to miss. Understanding which nutrients are necessary for the plant's growth and at what stage is crucial. Applying the right fertilizers at the wrong time could harm your crops and cost you money instead. And nobody wants that, right? The good news is that by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to fertilize maize farms effectively. Stick around because this strategy I will share with you is backed by research and also proven by many farmers around the world. But let me ask you this question first. Have you noticed how expensive fertilizers have become recently? I don't know of you, but in Ghana right now, the cost of fertilizer is peaking insanely. For example, urea was priced at 406 Ghana cedis in the last quarter of 2023 and increased to 421 in the first quarter of 2024, a 4% jump in just 3 months. You see, this threatens the profitability of many farmers as fertilizers account for almost half of the cost involved in maize production. While synthetic fertilizers are effective, they can be costly and sometimes harm the environment. And a great alternative is to use organic fertilizers like compost or manure. These not only cut costs but also enrich the soil with organic matter. In my upcoming video, I will teach you how to make your own organic fertilizers at home. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that. Now let's get to it. The two main fertilization strategies you would want to consider for your maize farm are the basal fertilization and foliar fertilization. Basal fertilization is done near the base of the sown seed, usually one day before or after sowing. For maize, the most important nutrient at this stage is phosphorus. Therefore, you will need fertilizers with high phosphorus content and a little of both nitrogen and potassium. Here is what to do. 1. Get a fertilizer with NPK value of 10, 30, 10 or something similar to that. Bury 5 to 10 grams of this fertilizer 2 inches below and 2 inches beside each hole containing 2 seeds. After this, the next fertilization will be at the stem elongation stage. This stage begins about 4 to 5 weeks after germination. This stage predicts the number of grains that will develop in a given cob row. And at this point, corn needs the most nitrogen along with plenty of water and other nutrients. It is therefore necessary to this time apply a fertilizer with higher nitrogen content. For example, one with NPK value of 4600. Simply put, get urea fertilizer at this stage. The main function of urea fertilizer is to provide the plant with nitrogen to promote green leafy growth and make the plants look lush. Urea also aids the photosynthesis process of plants. Foliar fertilizers are often applied during critical nutrient demand periods, such as 1. Early vegetative stages around 3 to 4 weeks after germination to boost the growth of the plant. And number 2. Tasseling and silking stages around 7 to 8 weeks after germination to enhance grain development and mitigate nutrient deficiencies. Foliar fertilizers can be used on maize to improve the nutrient uptake of plants. Sometimes you realize that you have applied the right fertilizers like NPK and urea, but still the plants look stunned. This could be because the plants are unable to take up the nutrients. Foliar fertilizers will help the plant to take up the nutrients. It is applied as a spray to the leaves and stalk of the plant. Foliar fertilizers should be applied when the plants are actively growing, typically during the vegetative growth stage. Get one of these foliar fertilizers and spray your farm using the recommended dosage, and that is it. You will see the biggest harvest ever. Now, note that this is not the only way to go about it. You may have other ways you have done this, and I would love to know about it in the comment section. What I have taught you has proven to be effective and has been replicated by many farmers around the world, and I am confident it will give you same results if you follow it carefully. Since you have learned some valuable stuff from this video, subscribe now for the next one.